So I'm gonna finish ripping off the aluminum wall right there. And then I'm gonna attempt to take a window out and see if I can flip it upside down. This window over on the side doesn't latch all the way at the top. I saw a YouTube video where they flipped it upside down and had it like lift up and down like a normal house window. So I'm gonna try that. You guys can follow along. Green smoothie. I don't know why I'm trying to struggle with this last piece. I gotta take the seat out before I can take it out, obviously. And the seat's coming out anyway, so I think I'm just gonna pause on that part of the wall for now. And then try to tackle this window. Alright, let me show you what I'm talking about. There's still a little gap, and it falls down. So, either way, I'm gonna have to take them out and try to fix these things that hold them in place. But since I saw this video, I thought I'd give it a try, and I put in all the windows in my house. So I've got some experience, 12 windows worth of experience. So figure if I can do a house window, I should be able to do a bus window, but we'll see. Ran out of space on my SD card on my camera, so I'm just going to use my phone for now. I want to be careful because the frames are aluminum. You don't want to bend them. I'm pretty sure they're aluminum. That was easy. Sometimes when I'm doing projects that require demolition, I feel like I'm going too far or getting in over my head. Because it's so, I can take things apart, and anybody can take things apart, but how good are you at putting things back together? I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's anything that I've not been able to put back together. Whether or not the end result was good or, you know, high end, that's a different story. But, you know, like I recently redid my fireplace around and it looks really, really good, except for there's a couple spots that I noticed. But, you know, you gotta learn by doing, right? These are like bus gutters for the roof. Alright, so as you can see, so you can zoom out a little bit. I've taken the frame apart. And I saw this on a video. Video's about like 6 years old, I think, or something like that, but it's still relevant. But his, I don't know, whatever these spring-loaded locking mechanisms are different than mine, so I'm gonna video it, how I take it apart and see if that helps you guys. Oh, look how easy that was. Alright, so that's a lot easier. This one has a little piece right here that just latches in that little hole right there. Okay. And then it just slides right out. That was this way, right? Yep, see? Right here. Pops right out. I was able to reverse the window, however, in order to do so properly, I would have to cut out notches in the frame and I don't want to damage it. The window is also missing part of the gasket around the glass, so that needs to be repaired. I may end up deleting the window if I cannot find the gasket to seal the window, but for now, on to another project. Got him.